Hey everyone, we're back again with the 2024 Ford Bronco Everglades, and today we're going to address some more lighting concerns that we have. And we got a product from Mabett again. They reached out and gave us some cargo lighting for the rear trunk of the Bronco, and we're going to go ahead and unbox that and get that installed and show you guys what we think of it. All right, so back with the Bronco, and as everybody knows, we already put in the grab handlebars with lights, and that has increased the lighting within the interior, but we still want to increase the interior in the trunk of the Bronco. So we've got another kit here, and we'll open this up in a second, but it ultimately replaces this piece back here for the window wiper, this cover, and it's going to add some lighting in here to give us some more lighting back here and some lighting out here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Get some nice instructions in the kit for the trunk light. Comes with all the pieces you need to do this install. Lots of pictures for those who want pictures, but I think this should be fairly straightforward. Nice piece of foam. And as you can see, here's the piece here, and it's got all kinds of LED lighting. So the LED lights will have a minimal draw on the system, and it does have a 12-volt adapter. So I believe that's going to end up plugging in over here. Let's pull this out and see what else comes in here. You've got a couple of tools, some cable stays it looks like, and a few bolts and some zip ties. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's first grab the plastic pry tool here and see if we can pop this cover off. There we go. All right guys, so now we have that cover off, we're gonna go ahead and take this cover with the cable facing towards the outside, press this on, and then we'll secure it using the 2 bolts in the kit. I'm going to take time to get this cable started in the direction that I want it to go, which is going to be towards this pillar to be closest to the 12-volt source. All right, so we got that in there. Then we're going to take our 2 bolts here and start running these in. You don't want to go beast mode on these, so just snug them down. All right, so now we've got this in place. We're going to go ahead and use those stays that came with the kit and secure this cable in place so it's not hanging down and it's out of the way. We'll run it across this cable here. And I want to show you this, guys, up close. The cable, we're going to actually run it in this little crevice here along the window, and we'll push that in there. Then we're going to put the stays right along here, and then the cable will be zip tied up through here, and then we'll run it back here down to here, and then we'll have it plugged into the 12-volt source here. So let's go ahead and run the cable through here now. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and do this, so I wanted to show you what I'm doing, and then we're going to do it. All right, that cable's run through there. Now we take our stays. We're going to take the backing off the tape. We're going to run those across the window here. Next we're going to take our zip ties. We're going to carefully zip tie this cable to cable here. You want to leave enough wiggle on the cable so it has motion, space to move. All right, and then we're going to run the cable along the rubber grommet. And then we can plug it into the 12-volt source. And last but not least, we have the plugs that we're going to plug into the holes here where we put the 2 bolts in. All right, and last but not least, we clip off the spare zip tie ends. And there you have it, install complete. All right, so now that we've got it installed, the vehicle's on, so the 12-volt source over here is powered on. Here's what it looks like, and of course by default it's off. There is a touch-sensitive button. You press the button and it lights up, and you have a light that projects into the trunk and one that comes out down here that covers everything. So this is a great little light gadget here. It provides lots of light, and I'll do a demo here once it gets dark outside and show you. Hey guys, welcome back. Here it's evening time now. It's been a while since we installed this cargo bay light, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks at night and the difference it makes. So as you know, there's a touch sensitive button here. So you go ahead and hit that button, and you can see how much light it actually brings into the car. So I want to show you this. It's kind of hard here one-handed, but it lights up the whole area here. So you get a whole lot of light out of that little cargo light. It does a great job. Really happy with this thing. It was an easy install, as you guys saw if you watched the whole video, but this light does an excellent job lighting up the interior and the exterior of this vehicle. Highly recommend this. Does an excellent job. You guys need to get yourself one of these. Easy install to do. If you like this, if this helped you, go ahead and click the thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with your friends. We'll check you guys out later.